Guys, June 17th, 2024. This one here, I gotta go do replace some cast iron pipe at one of the daycares. It's later in the day. It's probably around 5 o'clock. That's when they close. So I'm gonna go over there and rip and tear some 3-inch cast iron pipe that's leaking. I'm gonna have to open up a couple of walls to get to it. I was over there Saturday. She wanted me to do it Saturday, but it was all the supply houses were closed. I couldn't get any pipe, so it's Monday. I got 10 feet of pipe and some clamps, 3 clamps, and I should be able to replace what's leaking. I guess it's stinking up the place. Cast iron only lasts so long; it starts leaking. Might be a kind of a shitty job, but somebody's got to do it. I got a pipe there. I got a clamp. There's the pipe that's leaking right there. I gotta open up the wall. I gotta find out where it goes in there. To open up this. I gotta rip all this apart. And it's pretty high up there, so I think I'm just gonna cut it right there, put a clamp. Because it's on. Yeah, it's right, so it's way up in here, and I'm gonna make a flipping mess. I'll try cutting it. I'm gonna try. I got a new blade on my grinder here. Let's see if I can cut it. She's a flippin' juicy one. There's got some flippin' leakage happening there. I'm gonna just do my job and worry about the stuff later. Oh, she's a fucking stinker. Oh man, she's a stinker, Mom. She's a stinker. She's got some juicy piss coming out of that baby. Oh, gross. He's a flippin' stinker. I never figure it out. I could never figure it out why somebody would wear gloves. No, can't figure it out. Hopefully I can get it the hell out of here. I don't know. She's fucking leaking. You don't like her? I think maybe if I could get the space around this pipe. I might be able to, enough space where I could kick it, get it out. I'm thinking that's what I'm going to try. Pull it out from here, right? Once I get it past this, I could push it this way and get the other one in from this way. Again, put a couple of clamps on it. Jed clamp it. That's cobwebs from hell. I got new clamps. I'm just gonna get the other one out first. Let me get the other one out. I don't know how bad it is. Hopefully it's not leaking all over the flipping place. I'll be able to roll the rubber. Oh, he's a dripper. He's a dripper. See if I can get a bucket here. Shit is like fucking nastiness from hell. There's a container down there to catch the water. He's a leaker. He's a leaker. Oh yeah. He's a juicy one. He's a juicy one. Oh yeah. Look at that. He's a juicy one. You wake up. Why would you wear gloves? I can never figure it out. Nope, I can never figure it out why somebody would wear gloves. Never figure it out. I gotta get it over enough so it's gonna. All I have to do is cut some more. Flies from hell. We'll have to patch it after. Take that hanger out and it'll come out once I get that hanger out of there. He's a fucking bitch. Got flies and everything else coming out of this thing. He's a crusty one. I'll go now. The old Jed Clampett. She's one nasty one. One nasty one. Oh, look at the fucking flies coming out. Look at the fucking flies. Flies from hell. Ugh. Oh, God. What the fuck is that? Flies from hell. Oh, this fucking thing's heavy too. She is one. She's one heavy mother. I'm setting all the flies free. Boy, that's one fucking heavy unit, man. I don't know, I gotta get that hanger out of there. I think I Fuck. A bitch. Fuck. It's heavy. These are heavy. Heavy mother. Mother of Mary. It's a heavy one, Mama. She's one fucking heavy. You can see the bottom of it here is all rotted. We'll put the other pipe alongside and we'll cut the new one. I'm gonna give a little bit of extra space because I gotta put a clamp on the other side, right? Give it a little space. Oh, I got new clamps. You like a? We'll cut it right there. See the cut, the lines right there. We'll cut it right there. Snapper cutter. Do it. There we go. Yeah, that's it. I cut a little bit. I cut the line off, so that's good. That's what we want. That's right what we want, right there, perfect. That's it, that's what we want. It's better to be a little bit shy, because I've got room in the clamps. I got new clamps here. Put some new clamps on there, and it'll be good. I rolled the rubber, and I got this side in. I gotta fold the other side in, get that hanger on there, and then I could jet clamp it. Flies are still flying around here. Fluffing flies from hell. We'll jet clamp it. We'll jet clamp it. Yeah, I want to go home and take a shower now. All these flipping flies. Little fucking shit flies everywhere. Little bastards. Shit flies, I call them. Coming out of the shit pipe. I gotta do the other side yet, but this fucking hanger, I can't get it for some reason. I don't know. I gotta clean this whole place up. I gotta get some towels and rags and wipe everything down. I'm gonna have to wash all the walls yet and everything before I leave. But my biggest concern is getting that pipe replaced so it can stop the stinking. Put this right here. Instead of ripping that wall all apart. I mean, this should be fine. If I have to get into that, I'm flipping flies. I'll get into it if I have to, but I don't want to make too much of a mess unless I have to. I'll be fine like that. I'm hoping. I'm gonna wash all these walls, get a bucket here with some water and a rag and wipe all this shit down. It was really stinking in here from and all them flies were coming out of the pipe. Not good. I gotta spend some time washing everything really good now, and it's all part of working in these. Gotta work when the kids aren't here and shit, you know. Just charge extra, that's all. Not everybody wants to do that. Alright, I cleaned it pretty good. She's gonna send the janitor down here. I cleaned the other side pretty good too. Best I could with the mop, and I whitewashed this floor. And a couple of spots where it dumped out I cleaned. She's gonna send the janitor down here, but the flies. Can't do much about that. They come out of the pipe when I opened it, so I got the pipe replaced. It's better than ripping all that ceiling down. I got a clamp right at the wall there. If not, I would have had to rip all this ceiling down, this whole area. They would have had to patch the whole thing, and they're having a graduation tomorrow, so I'll make a mess, you know. It don't look too bad. I mean, they could patch that easy enough. No big deal. He's a leaker.